Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Marshall County, Indiana, east central LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingsford Heights, or 11 miles south of LaPorte, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
Dang, none of these activated.
Entries.
The black and silver did though, so that's a win.
Plymouth, Walkerton, Kingsford Heights, Hamlet, Coons Lake, La Paz, Kingsbury, Tea Garden, South Center, Salem Heights, Tracy, Tyner, Donaldson, and Grovertown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark.